This is going to be a quick unboxing video of the Tekna Pro Lite. I got the cupped version of this. There's a couple of different part numbers. You can get them with a cup on the top, or you can get them without the cup, and different air caps and all that other stuff. But the part number for this one is, get it in focus there for you, it's 703566. And this is the full kit with the cup. It actually says, yeah, right here, it actually says cupped on it. So I did order the 3M PPS system as well, but I still wanted the cup as a backup, just in case. So this is going to be a quick unboxing video. This is a $500 spray gun, super expensive. I've been doing a lot of painting lately, and my little $90 spray gun, I mean, I get pretty good results with it. If you look at that BMW that I painted that car with literally a $90 spray gun. I mean, it's cheap, isn't it? Nothing fancy, nothing special. It doesn't even spray that well, but I get pretty good results with it. So I decided to step it up a notch and get an actual professional spray gun. I've been doing a lot of painting lately, and I've got more painting to do. So I figured, screw it, I'll just step it up a notch and get an actual professional spray gun. And I ended up going with this one because it comes with the 1.2, 1.3, 1.4 tips and 2 different air caps. And this, if you do some research, this is by far one of the best all-around spray guns. It's been on the market for several years, and it's consistently rated one of the #1 spray guns. So that's why I went with this one. I could have got the latest Devilbiss, the DV1, for not much more money, but it was too new for me. It doesn't have the history that this one has, so I wanted to go with something that's been used for several years with no issues. So that's kind of the thought process there. The DV1 hasn't been out that long, several months. Most likely it's an amazing gun as well. I went with this one just because of the reputation it has. Okay, so again, this is let me get you the number there. The 703566 model with the cup. Let's get it open. Oh. So let's see what we get in the box. Okay, so here's our cup. We got the regulator. It's a digital regulator, Devilbiss regulator. So what's this? It's probably a spanner. Okay. 14 mil open end and a 10 mil close end spanner, or gun wrench, whatever you want to call it. Here's our aluminum cup, or aluminum cup. I'm going to keep the bag for that. I don't really intend on using this cup unless, unless I need to, right? It's more of a backup for me. Filter, identification rings. So if you have several of these, you can put the colors on them so that you know which is, 1.2, 1.4, primer gun, etc., etc. Lid for our cup. It's got the air vent on the top, no big deal. Alright, okay, so here is our TE10 air cap. So it probably has the TE20 on it. So this is just a finer air cap. Here's our gun. And this is going to be 1.2. 1.4, so it has the TE20 and the 1.3 installed from factory. Let's see, bunch of Tekna goodies, warranty, parts breakdown, all that stuff. Okay. Here's our actual spray gun. Yeah, that's nice. Yeah, it's got the TE20 on it. So hopefully that's coming through. and it should be the 1.3. Yeah, I'm not sure, that's going to be kind of hard to read on the camera, but it's stamped on the side of it. It's a 1.3 tip. Yeah, it's got a nice head on it there too. Apparently this is a pretty big fan as well, so it should spray super nice. T20, and then this is going to be your fan control and your fluid control. That's fan all the way out, all the way in. So that's nice. It's just a couple of turns to get the fan all the way open and closed. And then I believe 1, 2, yeah, so three turns on your fluid tip. It's a lot. So if you were spraying like wheels or something, you wouldn't go 3 turns on that. You'd probably put that back to about 1.25. Just give you a little 1.5. I don't know. I'll have to play around with this gun to figure it out. But yeah, super nice. So quick unboxing video of the Tekna Pro Lite. It should be a brilliant upgrade for my painting arsenal. I've always used pretty low-end spray guns. I've always got good results. You know, my 1.3 that I spent less than $100 on many years ago still works great today. I just painted that BMW with it. Yeah, it looks totally fine. So I'm expecting a nice improvement with this. Especially when it comes to clear coat, that gun struggles with clear coat. It sprays base okay, but clear coat it's not great. So hopefully that'll get me a lot better clear coat results. And yes, stay tuned if you want to see me using that. There's a bumper right there. That's the next thing I have to paint. I'm still waiting on paint for that, but I'll be painting that in the next couple of weeks, and I'll record that and stick it on the tube. But yeah, quick unboxing video, and I'll do for future reviews on that same gun.